this is Amanda from Comment here. Today's topic is about VFM60 Vortex meter code setting. The sure thing is that the Comment team will complete all works before departing the meter to your hand. In this video, you will understand the meaning of each code and how to make some settings as the need of performance. Cooperation between code setting and digit setting makes Comment Flowmeter to give the right response from different orders. Code setting is a function you want to proceed, like changing the unit of flow rate, temperature, or pressure. Digit setting is about digit setting under certain function. Select 4 to 20 output function, and you need to arrange a range of 4 to 20 in digit settings. We offer two ways for these settings. One is by button and one is by Bluetooth app on cell phone or tablet. You can also find these settings in the software, their function setting and parameter settings. This topic is about how to do these settings by button. Look from the case, you can see 3 marks here: left button, middle button, and right button. Left button is by moving the cursor to select which digits on the display need to be set. Middle button, switch the digits from 0 to 9 and the decimal point. Right button, save the current setting. Quit to go to the next code setting. Jump to the second line. So the question is how to enter in the code setting and digit setting. Customer can press the middle and right button at the same time to enter in the code setting, and press the middle and right button at the same time to quit in the interface. Same reason. For digit setting, press the left and right button at the same time to enter in, and the same operation for quit. Like I said, code setting is related to which function you want to proceed. Digit setting is about the digits range of code setting, the meaning of the function to proceed. Most common use code settings in operation. CO1 is the field type. We have gas and liquid. CO2 density compensation, support to measure liquid, steam, and gas. Output, you can select pulse, 420, or frequency. CO6 is for what kind of parameters, output for 420 or frequency, and instrument number for modbus or heart, and the unit of time, mass flow, volume, pressure, and temperature. You can select these parameters. And C50, total flow reset. When you do some settings in your laboratory and when you handle these meters to your end users, you can select total flow reset. So the tester flow rate will all clean. In digit setting, we can set max and min range of pressure, temperature, and the flow rate. For example, I want to use 4 to 20 to output the flow rate in 0 to 1000. So you need to set the two values in here. Take this case for example, our VFM60 standard meter for liquid measurement required to output a mass flow by 4 to 20 with 0 to 4000 kg per hour. So that is for liquid measurement, so we preset a liquid measurement program. And mass flow, we need to preset a density value. Time unit is hour, mass unit is kilogram, and output here we select to use 4 to 20 to output flow rate. And in digit setting, we also need to set a range of the 4 to 20 range, that is 0 to 4000. This is a button setting. Next is going to how to do this works by Bluetooth app. Stay close, more details coming soon. You can contact our people to get the menu or searching on website. Besides, don't forget to follow me for further information. Bye.